जन्मदिन की तुमको बहुत बहुत बधाई। तुम हमेशा खुश रहो, तुम्हारे ऊपर बड़े और हम लोगों का शुभ आशीर्वाद बना रहे।
Happy birthday, Rishabh. God bless you.
Dear Rishabh, it was beautiful watching you grow up from a young boy to a big man, and now you're 40 years old. I wish you happiness and good luck. Happiest birthday to you, Rishabh.
Happy birthday to you, Rishabh.
Happy birthday, Mama. I'm so glad to have a father figure like you. Whenever you had to guide me, you always did it in a very special and a unique way, for which I'm forever grateful. Thank you.
ऋषभ, तुम्हारे लिए क्या बोलूं? जो भी बोलूं उसके लिए मेरे पास कोई शब्द नहीं है। तुम्हारे लिए जितनी भी बड़ाई की वो कम है। तुम हमारे लिए एक मतलब एक बेटे से भी बढ़ के हो। आज तुम लोगों के बलबूते पे हम लोग हर तरह का एंजॉय करते हैं और हर तरह की खुशियाँ बांटते हैं। और तुम हमारे दामाद ही नहीं, हम तुम्हें क्या बोले, हम मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है तुम्हारे बोलने का कि तुम्हें किसी संज्ञा दूँ मैं तुम्हें। तुम हमारे लिए बहुत एक महान हो। थैंक यू। इस हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू ऋषभ। हैप्पी बर्थडे 40 बर्थडे ऋषभ।
Happy birthday, Jiju. Welcome to the 40s.
Happy 40, Jiju. Enjoy.
Wish
You a super 40th birthday.
So Rishabh, you were introduced to me as a JG of the group. Initially I found it very weird, but let me tell you, you have lived up to the introduction and expectation completely. So now, as you turn 40, please turn naughty. I would hope to see you more naughty at 40. And where's the party tonight?
Rishabh, I'll straight away take you back to our school days when you were this so full of energy, always up to something mischievous. You were the leader of our gang, kind of a thing. You used to make all our plans. You had all the tashan in the world. You used to make sure those plans worked. We had a good time. We started respecting you, and you started ruining us. And on top of it, we loved getting ruined. Remember our school trip to Gangtok? which we were in class 9 and you were showing off your driving license to everyone. And your only motto in that trip was how to be more notorious than even our seniors and how to harass the girls. Not literally, but yeah, you were harassing them. All those trips we have had to Goa, then Bangkok, Spain quite recently. In short, each and every moment we spent together has been special. I cherish all the memories that we have created. And going forward, I wish you even better 40 years yet to come. I would like to see that school Rishabh come back, who again becomes the leader of our gang, and make sure that we have a great time everywhere and make those plans work out.
Yes, Rishabh, we want to see you like this.
Hey Rishabh, happy 40th birthday. 40 is just a number for you, but the experience of your life is more than double of your age. And for the same reason, I still depend upon you. और ये आज से नहीं है भाई, ये बचपन से ही है. भाई बचपन, I mean मेरा बचपन. Stay as you are भाई साहब. वैसे भी मेरे बोलने से तुम कौन सा बदल जाएगा. बस एक सजेशन है, थोड़ा लाइफ को एंजॉय करना सीख. बहुत कुछ है तेरे पास लाइफ में खुश रहने के लिए. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन भाई.
Happy birthday, Rishabh. I still can't believe that I'm wishing you on your 40th birthday. इतने साल से हम साथ हैं. It's like a thought for me. क्योंकि first time when I met you, I knew you that you are Rishabh Goenka. एक चीज तो clear था that I see you nowhere in my future. But see where our destiny has got us, and it has got us together. And maybe it's for good, and I'm thankful for it. So you are a part of our core group. So we are happy. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Rishabh, happy birthday. You are clearly one of the very few very good friends that we have, that I have. And apni dosti, if you think about it, has been rather different, Like many friends, you just click off the moment you meet and just, you stay friends for a long time. We didn't really click off at the first, but over the years, our bond has become stronger and I really cherish our friendship. But 40th birthday, now typically 40th birthday जब wish करते हैं सब बोलते हैं 40 years का हो गया. Now in case of Rishabh, that's not that bad a thing. हम लोग within our friend group we joke about this, that he's actually been growing younger. In fact, when we were younger in school, more childish, Rishabh was more mature. Now over the years, actually we've seen him become childish in the right sense, in the good sense, more excitement in life. बहुत अच्छी बात है. That's a good thing. Keep the excitement going. I love the sincerity that you show towards work. I hope that you show more sincerity and excitement towards family, also to friends. Payal will be happier. All of us will be happier. So, and the final thing is, our trip, hopefully all of us are turning in 40th this time. Hopefully we are able to do something to celebrate it together. Hopefully the world allows us to do it. And if that happens, really looking forward to your birthday. Celebrate it. Happy 40th. Love you. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, Rishabh. I'm so excited that this year we all are turning 40. I love the chemistry that we share, the way we argue on things and then we laugh on them together. Your witty comments on Vikash and we teasing you for your Dadaji attitude. And you just take them so lightly. Stay the same always. Happy 40th again. And I wish we could spend it together. But it's okay. We're going to celebrate it next year together. And please don't take this number so seriously. It's just a number. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy 40th birthday, Rishabh. Have a super day and year ahead. इस बार तो सबका 40th birthday है, पर अपन न पार्टी कर पा रहे हैं न ट्रिप्स पे जा पा रहे हैं. होप ये लॉकडाउन जल्दी से ख़त्म हो जाए और फिर अपन खूब मस्ती करें, खूब ट्रिप्स पे जाएं, एंजॉय करें. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
हाय ऋषभ, क्या हालचाल? विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. तो बस 40 इयर्स का हो गया है, क्या अब प्रोग्राम है तुम्हारा? विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट and hope our friendship continues till ever, and enjoy yourself. Have a good day, great day. Take care.
Hi Rishabh Bhaiya, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you are having a great one. Have a wonderful year ahead. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Hi Rishabh Bhaiya, happy 40th birthday and happy new year. You're a very warm person, and jitne bhi lunches and dinners we had together, it was like awesome. And one thing, that is not a bed sheet, that is a skirt. Next time I'll get one for your wife and she'll tell you what the difference is. आप ना ये कोलकाता बाजार में कर ना सब भूल गए हैं, तो please come back to basics. And very happy birthday. Please.
Hi Rishabh, wish you a very happy birthday. So you are approaching your 40th birthday. I guess people mature after 40, but I guess you matured at the age of 20, 18 or 20. कॉलेज के टाइम से ही हम लोग मजाक की बातें करते थे और तू ज्ञान की बातें करता था, तो पता नहीं है 40 के बाद कितना ज्ञान देगा. वो ज्ञान देने की आदत अभी भी है. चलो, let's see how it goes. Anyways, wish you a very happy birthday, bro. Looking forward to meeting you very soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Rishabh, happy birthday. Wishing you a very happy 40th.
Hi Rishabh, wish you a very good 40th birthday. You look forward to a very big party. No kanjusi here. Bazaar Kolkata is doing very
Exactly,
good.
Bazaar Kolkata has to sponsor. I still remember the first dinner we had with you. It was just you, Payal, Atul and myself. And I was like, oh my god, हम बात क्या करेंगे इससे? And now look at us, 5-6 years down the line, we are such good friends, and I'm really thankful that we all are together as friends. Have a great day.
Take care. Bye.
Rishabh, we have been friends since almost 25 years, and we've spent a lot of time together. You are one of the most simple but sophisticated people I have ever met. And if you have seen, you have gradually improved as a human being and as an entrepreneur. I hope God gives you even more success, happiness and health, wealth as well as happiness. Happy 40th birthday, my friend. But I'll tell you something, that your 10th anniversary as well as your 40th birthday treat is due. Hope God bless you always.
Happy 40th birthday, Rishabh. Take care, have fun, and a treat is due.
Wish you a very happy 40th birthday, Rishabh. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Rishabh. Have a naughty 40.
Rishabh, the first time we met, you had asked me my expectations from my life partner. You have always lived up to those expectations. You have always supported me, encouraged me, and supported me. You are the person with patience and family values. People come and tell me that you are a tough nut to crack. You are a difficult person, but I know deep inside there is a person who will want to live life king size, but is unable to break his boundaries. I love you, Rishabh. I love you a lot. Wish you a very happy birthday.